Today's video is about of how I edit and delete the background of the photo. First, just type at the search bar www.remove.bg. Then, makikita natin na merong upload image. In that upload image, click natin. Pipili tayo ng picture na kung anong gusto nating i-edit. Like for example, yung dog namin si Aki. So, uploading siya. After few seconds, ipapakita niya sa atin yung perfect na pagka-edit or pagtanggal ng background. Then for you to download, just click the download and open para makita natin yung result. Perfect, di ba? Next, ito sa akin medyo komplikado since merong maraming buhok. So, when you edit this using other app, medyo mahirap. So, we try this one. Uploading. You just need to wait for few seconds. Then, papakita na niya sa atin yung perfect na pagka-edit ng photo. See? Click download and mapupunta na siya sa gallery natin. Yan. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bye.